Hey guys, welcome back. This is Princess Akeema, and today I am so super excited to share with you something that has been a part of not only my family's personal health and wellness journey, but something that I have all my clients utilizing as well. And it is using Young Living's essential oils. Now, you may have heard about essential oils. You may know some things as it relates to aroma. And honestly, if you've been following me on other platforms for some time, you've already heard me talking so much about the benefits of essential oils. I am going to ask before we get started that if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell so that you get notified every single time that I do a video. So this wonderful box, when you get started with Young Living, you have so many different avenues and ways that you can begin, but the best way to get started is with a starter kit, because they've put the kit together in a way giving you all the foundational oils that you need to really begin what we call ditch and switch. So that whole concept is setting aside the toxic things in your home, which could be from the detergents that you may be currently using to dish soaps to anything, perfumes, and really beginning to put your family in a better position to live a healthier life. Because believe it or not, it's not only putting good things into our body, but it's also making sure that we stop using those things that can be harmful, that could be disruptors to our endocrine systems and all the various systems in your body. So I'm going to go through the starter kit. I do want to let everyone know that I'm not a medical doctor and I'm not here to diagnose or treat. What I am here is I just want to go through these amazing oils, go through this starter kit, and just talk to you about everything that comes in the starter kit. So when you get your starter kit, it comes with 12 different oils, and I can't tell you every single thing that every single oil does, because this video would go on for a few weeks probably. What I will do is I want to highlight for you what these oils do, how I personally use them, and then once you get your kit, you will have your own things to share. So when you open up your starter kit, it'll come with 12 different oils. These oils have so many wonderful benefits for your family. All of the oils on the top row here have a white label. That's a part of Young Living's Vitality line. All of the Vitality oils, they can be taken internally. Now you may see on some oils where it's not available for internal use. And I get that. For safety reasons, perhaps you'll see the FDA have that sort of warning. Please do know that all the white label oils from Young Living have been approved by the FDA in order to be ingested internally. We can also use our oils aromatically. So you see we have our diffuser. And when you get your kit, it actually comes with the diffuser as well. And you can also apply your oils topically. Now, it is good to use the oils in all the ways, but I have to tell you, my favorite way is topically. I am bathing with my oils from top to bottom. Not bathing, I guess after the bath, I'm bathing my skin in them. So the first one from the Vitality line is peppermint. Peppermint can be used with any sort of head tension. It can be used to freshen your breath. Peppermint can be used also to support any sort of musculoskeletal system. So if you're post-workout and you're looking for something to kind of grab to use for your body, you can definitely use your peppermint oil. If you do take it orally, I will warn you, 1 drop under the tongue is all you need, because it's very potent. So you'll see with some peppermints in some of these stores that they tell you to use 15 drops and 20 drops, where with Young Living's peppermint, because it's not stretched with anything, just 1 drop if you're taking it orally, 3 to 4 drops if you're using it on your diffuser, and when I apply it topically, maybe about 2 or 3.